Hello, my name is Chirama and I am glad to share you my ways know how to grow faster your business online. Before launch your project in a long time, you must use the best tools and create a good content for your internet user. Types number 1, WordPress. WordPress is the best platform used by more than a million of operators online in order to grow their business in the world. At first, this is very easy to be handled. After, you can get there your best design for your site activity. You can choose amount of more than 1000 templates. It's all free. After, you can get several functions to manage well your publication as you want. For that, you install your plugin to secure, change design every time, improve your SEO referencing, and change language from other country, and more. After, this software permits you to create a beautiful professional page where you can put several elements as video, photo, text, and place of comments so the readers can contact you quickly. With WordPress, you can create a beautiful portfolio page where you insert all photos of your product and activity. Once the readers click on the photo, he reaches the landing page of a product. He can discover whether the details of a product, the price, and the way how the products will be signed item. Also, you can get a link of pay. WordPress offers a payment system secured for your readers, so they can use through PayPal, Visa card, and all other bank system. This software offers you all functions and plugins in order to success quickly your business online and keep for a long time your internet users or your customers online. The primary advantage is your SEO referencing in the Google. Google considers a site structured by WordPress. You can install there your Google plugin and set as you want the keyword of your text, and you can also inscribe your page name of social media and evaluate every day the number of clicks from. I advise you handle well this software, and we will find more function than I tell you now. Types number 2, the marketing content. Marketing content. This is the primary message make your readers, targets, customers join you. This is to your fast company image that the population see on the line. You don't master to any of this section. It's very important to offer good content in the digital marketing strategy, because at each publication this is shared yearly. For your first publication, I advise you have to put your best service or product quality. This isn't all, but your way of contact to the readers must be correct and interesting. We join the way of readers thinking. So you should create a good impression. You have a positive emotion contact from your content published. If you would impress your readers, you must embody their psychology, their happiness, their pleasure of life. As you show the interesting events, you can use beautifully photo or attractive photo for your publication as you want. I summarize the followers are your best friends and you are for them. You must make the content toward their life feeling and trends of your own field. Types number 3. Social media. Social media is the best platform where the world population meet every day. This is the best place of the news and actuality in the world at real time. So you must create your page there, and you can choose a platform at LinkedIn or Facebook or Instagram or Twitter for your business. It implies that you are well viewing the trends and the technology in the social media platform. I have just showed you how to present your content, but in order to reach a larger traffic, you must develop your content towards the social media trends. With that way, you grow your information and you have an easy showing from your readers, so you can generate your sales. At first, you create a long text interesting, and you need to join it a photo or video. Below your text, don't remember to put a large list of hashtags. You must put more than 10 hashtags there. Way hashtags. The hashtags permit you to be shown at the result if the readers search throughout keywords on the social media platform. The more create several hashtags, more have a luck to appear at the first result from the social media platform. How get a large list of hashtags? Check the most popular page in the field where you work and get all hashtags have been used by this page. You can use them for your own pages and insert other hashtags during your own activity. Other way how you find the hashtags. For that, you can discover them when you put a text in a search box on Instagram site. A list of hashtags appears on this platform, and you can get a larger list of hashtags during your activity as you want. After this, the interest focus of readers during your first sentences or phrases. So publish an introduction, interesting or attractive caption for your publication. This invite the readers to click on the show more link. Once the readers reach the landing page, they want a good information that help their daily life. From you, you must write a text body has all information bring a luck and good skills for your readers. Below the publication insert your other page links where the readers need discovery other information about your fields. so the readers join your page and see others publication or service that has been suggested by you. Don't remember, you must reply every comment or question placed by the readers. Then you consider your questions, and it's very important in order to keep your followers on your pages. For that you can put any text, and below this you put a link to other page for more explanation for their questions. Except your own publication, you have to publish your contents with overwhelm. How to do that? At first, you can replay comments of the readers from other popular page or influencer page. So if you give a good answer for them, the readers follow your profile page. You can generate new followers if share your publication for their friends. After, you can create also quiz and offer for award a product and a service from you. So you can collect several profile interest to your product. It's a very good idea to identify your real customers. After, you can program a publication sponsor wizard, so your publication will be showed in the more than million pages of the readers in the world. The platform program in order to put your publication on the real targets of readers, and you can for that pay justify your fee. At some way you can ask to influencers in order to publish your contents on the page. It's a good way to generate a group of followers, because their followers become yours. This is all for today. I hope that you always show it permit you to grow quickly your business from your activity. And if we have a question and doubt, you can send me a message through the mail address kriagaonline@gmail, and I will reply you. After, I hope that you always can offer you good ways in order to progress your activity online, your business, your contact with your internet users and customers online. So I wish you success for your business and good continuation. Bye bye.